Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to enable Passkey on TikTok. Enabling passkeys on TikTok enhances your security of your account by allowing you to log in without a traditional password using biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID. So here's a step-by-step guide to setting it up on your device. First of all, open up TikTok application on your device. And once you're inside the home page of TikTok, after logging in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right, and then click on Settings and Privacy. From the Settings and Privacy, click on Account. Under Account, you will see a Passkey option, tap on it, and then click on Setup at the bottom. Follow through the on-screen instructions. On your Android devices, you'll need to turn on Passkey with PIN, pattern, or biometric, whereas for Apple users, go ahead and scan your Face ID by tapping on Continue and then wait for a few seconds. This will enable Passkey on your TikTok account. Once set up, you can now log in using your device's biometric authentication without having to enter your password or your credentials. So that's how you can easily enable Passkey on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.